Good day everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today our focus will basically be on linear graphs, and I will be discussing on continuous linear graph. Alright, so now one thing you should know about continuous linear graph, it is that when a straight line is plotted such that other relative values can be deduced from the graph, it is called a continuous linear graph. Alright, now let's go to our example. We have 1 meter of twine costs 25 naira. So we have to make a table of values showing the cost from 0 meters to 10 meters respectively, and also using a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 1 meter on the horizontal axis and 2 centimeters to represent 50 naira on the vertical axis. We should draw a graph of this information. Now the last part of it is that we are going to use the graph to find the cost of 7.5 meters of twine and how long is the twine costing 215 naira. Alright, the first thing we have to do is to make a table of values using the cost 0 meters to 10 meters. Don't forget that we have been told that 1 meter of twine, so 1 meter of it is equals to 25 naira. Therefore means that 2 meters will be 25 times 2, that will be 50. So 3 meters will be 25 times 3, that will be 75 meters, and so on and so forth. So we are going to plot a table of values for this till we get to the value 10. So we have the length in meters and the cost is in naira. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, so let's prepare our table. Alright, don't forget that we have to prepare the table from 0 meters, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't forget that we have been told that the value of 1 meter is already 25. That means for 0 will be 0, for 2 meters will be 50, for 3 will be 75, for 4 will be 100, for 5 will be 125, for 6 150, for 7 175, for 8 will be 200, for 9 will be 225, for 10 will be 250. How do we get this? All I need to do now is just to multiply each of these numbers by 25 and we'll have the value for the cost. Alright, now the second part of the question says using a scale of 1 centimeters to represent 1 meters on the horizontal axis. So now this is our vertical axis. This is our horizontal axis. So in the horizontal axis we have been told that is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So this, we have been told that using a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 1 minute on the 1 meter, on the horizontal axis. That means we have, for the length, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is for the length, which is in meters. Alright, and for the y-axis, which is for the cost, we have been told to use 2 centimeters to represent 50 naira. So every 2 boxes I will count as 50 naira. So I have 50, 100, another 2 boxes, 150, 2 boxes, 200, 250. I can stop at 300 since our highest cost is 250. Alright, so I can stop at 300. So I will label this as the cost, the y-axis as the cost in naira. Don't forget our scale. From the equation we have been told that for the x-axis we should use 1 centimeter is to 1 unit. Then for the y-axis, we should use 2 centimeters to represent 50 units. Alright, so now this is a continuous linear graph if you want to write your title. Alright, don't forget, from the table we have that the length being 0, the cost will be 0, so I'll pick the point here. Then for the length being 1, the cost will be 25. The length being 1, the cost will be 25. Now to get 25, since 2 boxes gives us 50, that means to get 25, it will be 50 divided by 2, which is 25. So now it therefore means that if we have 2 boxes and it's being divided by 2, is the first box that carries the value for 25. So now for 0, 25 will be here. For 1, 25 will be here. Then 2, 25 at 50. Then for 3, 25. For 3, the length is 3, the cost will be 75. So 75 is between 50 and 100. So at this point, for 4, the same thing. For 5, we have 125 between 100 and 150. For 6, we have 150. For 7, we have 175. For 8, we have 200. For 9, we have 225. And for 10, we have 250 naira. So this will give us a straight line. So from 0, the origin, we draw our straight line. Alright, so now we are done with the second part of the question. We are asked to draw a graph of this information. This is the graph. The next one says use the graph to find the cost of 7.5 meters of twine. So now from this graph, don't forget I told you earlier that in continuous linear graph, that when a straight line is plotted such that other relative values can be deduced from the graph, it is called a continuous linear graph. So other relative values can actually be deduced from this particular graph. Now the cost of 7.5 meters of twine, so this is 7 and this is 8. How do I now get 7.5? 7.5 will be between 7 and 8. Don't forget that in this case now, how many lines do we have between 7 and 8? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the lines are actually 5 lines. So now if I want to get 7.5, I have to divide the 5 divided by 2. That will give me 2.5. It therefore means that I will pick the 2 lines and half, and I will share the remaining 1 into 2. So this 1, 2. That means 7.5 will be at the center. 7.5 will be at 7.5 will be at the center of 7 and 8. 7 and 8. So in that case now, I will trace it to the straight line we have here. Now we use broken lines to do that. Okay, sorry, let me use a blue pen for that. Okay, that's 7.5. So now this point that touches the line, you're going to draw it also. Alright, so in this case now, the first one says the cost of 7.5 meters of twine. So 7.5 meters of twine. So now in this case now, this is where we have picked our point after we have gotten from on the straight line. So now this is 150. How do I now get the reading from this? Okay, between 150 and 200, we have 10 lines there. So in this case now, I will count in tens. So after 150, 2 lines I'll have 160, 170, 180, and 190. It therefore means that this particular point is 190. Therefore means that the cost of 7.5 meters of twine will give us 190 naira. Alright, the last part of the question says, how long is the twine costing 215? How long is the twine costing 215? So now let's pick our point now. So this is 200, sorry, 200 at this point. So how do we now get 215? Since every two boxes carries the value of 10. So now in this case, now this will give me 210 and 215. 210, 215. So we pick from this point. Alright, so I'm going to trace this to the straight line. Alright, so let me trace that. Okay, so in this case now, we have 8.2, 8.4, and the point here will give me 8.6. So now, it therefore means that it will be the length of 8.6 meters that will give us the cost of 215 naira. Alright, we've come to the end of our exciting lesson on continuous linear graph. I hope you learned a lot. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting mathematics videos. Bye.